In this video, I'll go over the 3 best drones for skiing. Let's take a look.
The first drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-performance camera drone designed for professional aerial imaging and extended flight performance. It weighs 895 grams. It features a foldable design and a maximum flight time of 46 minutes under ideal conditions. With a 5000 mAh battery and a top flight speed of 21 meters per second, it can fly up to 30 kilometers in controlled environments. It withstands winds up to 12 meters per second and operates at temperatures from -10 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Equipped with a Hasselblad 4-thirds CMOS main camera, the Mavic 3 captures high-quality stills and video with adjustable apertures, 5.1K video resolution, and support for multiple photo modes including burst, AEB, and timed shots. The signed model adds Apple ProRes 422 support with a massive 1TB internal SSD. A secondary 1/2-inch telephoto camera offers up to 28 times digital zoom and 4K video recording. The gimbal provides 3-axis stabilization with precise angular vibration control. Vision sensing is omnidirectional, assisted by infrared sensors for obstacle detection up to 200 meters. The O3 Plus video transmission system ensures low latency 1080p live feeds at 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of up to 15 kilometers. The Mavic 3 is compatible with various storage options including a recommended micro SD card and for sign mode and high-speed SSD recording. Charging options include standard wall, car and hub charging with a 96-minute full battery charge time. The RC-N1 controller supports multiple USB types and has a 6-hour battery life. DJI has committed to software updates for the Mavic 3 until December 31st, 2026, reinforcing its long-term support for professional users. Also, if you're interested in any of the covered drones in this video and want to find out the current prices, then you can check out the links in the description or the first pinned comment of this video. The second drone on the list is
the DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ultra-compact, lightweight drone weighing approximately 135 grams, designed for both casual and advanced users. It features a half-inch image sensor capable of capturing 12 megapixel photos and recording 4K videos at 30 fps. With a fixed f2.8 aperture lens and a wide 170.6-degree field of view, the Neo is optimized for immersive aerial visuals. It offers advanced stabilization options like rock steady and horizon balancing, although only when shooting in 16:9 format. In terms of performance, the Neo supports a max horizontal speed of 60 meters per second in manual mode and can ascend at up to 3 meters per second and descend at 2 meters per second, depending on the flight mode. The drone can reach a maximum altitude of 2,000 meters and has a flight time of up to 18 minutes or 17 minutes when using propeller guards. It boasts a flight range of up to 7 kilometers and withstands wind speeds of up to 8 meters per second. Its positioning system combines GPS, Galileo, and Baidu for reliable navigation, with precise hovering thanks to a downward vision sensor. The video transmission system uses DJI's O4 technology, supporting up to 1080p/60 fps live view with a maximum transmission distance of 10 kilometers. The Neo has 22 gigabytes of internal storage, but does not support external micro SD cards. For connectivity, it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and operates on multiple frequency bands depending on regional regulations. The intelligent flight battery, 1435 mAh, provides power for efficient and fast recharging, taking about 50 minutes via the aircraft or 60 minutes using the charging hub. The DJI RC-N3 controller offers a 3.5-hour battery life and supports real-time video transmission and remote control over various frequency bands. With its blend of compact design, powerful camera features, and flight performance, the DJI Neo is a capable and user-friendly drone for both beginners and content creators.
As a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is giving you good value, and let me know in the comments what your favorite drone is. The third drone on the list is
the DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact, lightweight drone designed for ease of use and portability, weighing just 246 grams, making it exempt from training or licensing requirements in most regions. When folded, it measures 138 x 81 x 58 millimeters, expanding to 245 x 289 x 56 millimeters with propellers expanded. This drone offers impressive flight capabilities with a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a flight range of up to 15.7 kilometers under optimal conditions. It can ascend at 5 meters per second, descend at 3.5 meters per second, and reach a top horizontal speed of 16 meters per second. The maximum takeoff altitude is 4,000 meters, though it's limited to 2,000 meters when using propeller guards. It's built to withstand wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second and operates in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. Positioning is highly accurate thanks to a combination of GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo systems with vision positioning, enhancing hovering stability. The drone includes a 3-axis mechanical gimbal supporting smooth video capture and precise control with a 12 megapixel 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor. The camera supports 2.7K video at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 60 FPS. With digital zoom up to 3 times in 2.7K and 4 times in Full HD. Still photo features include JPEG and RAW formats, panoramas, time shot, and AEB mode. Video transmission is handled by DJI O2, offering a live feed at 720p /30 FPS and a maximum transmission distance of 10 kilometers. The DJI RC-N1 remote controller provides up to 6 hours of operation, depending on mobile device charging. The drone uses a 2250 mAh battery and supports various micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. With features like quick shots, intelligent shooting modes, and reliable performance, the DJI Mini 2 SE is ideal for beginners and hobbyists seeking high-quality aerial photography in a compact form factor.
These were the drones I carefully researched for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified about future videos. Also, if you're interested in more information about the mentioned drones in this video, then don't forget to check out the links in the description or first pinned comment of this video. See you in the next one.